In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coinbase Advanced to save 80% on fees. If you've been trading cryptocurrencies on Coinbase and are looking for ways to cut down on those transaction costs, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and see how you can use the Advanced Trade feature to your advantage. First things first, you need to open up the Coinbase app or visit their website. From there, make your way to the Advanced Trade section. This is where all the magic happens, so whether you're accessing this on your phone or computer, make sure you find and tap on that Advanced Trade feature. Once you're in the Advanced Trade area, you'll have the option to buy or sell cryptocurrencies using limit or market orders directly on the trading interface. This is key because by trading directly through this platform, you're potentially bypassing the higher fees associated with the more traditional buying methods. Familiarize yourself with this interface as it's designed for a smoother and potentially more cost-effective trading experience. One critical thing to keep in mind is to avoid the simple buy option that appears on the main dashboard. While it might look tempting for its ease of use, it comes with significantly higher fees. By steering clear of the simple buy, you'll ensure that you're not inadvertently paying more than necessary on these transactions. Now let's talk about the fee structure in the Advanced Trade platform. It operates on a maker-taker fee model. In simple terms, this means that the fees are substantially lower when you execute trades as a maker. The fees can go as low as 0.43% compared to over 2% on regular buys. This difference can result in substantial savings, especially for frequent traders or those dealing with large volumes. For even lower fees, consider using limit orders. If you're trading strategically and not rushed by immediate market execution, limit orders are your best friend. When you place a limit order, you might qualify as a maker, which could result in lower transaction fees. This is an excellent strategy if you're looking to minimize costs in your trading activities. Lastly, always keep an eye on the fee tier levels, particularly if you trade large amounts of cryptocurrency. Coinbase offers lower fees for higher trading volumes, so it's worthwhile to monitor how much you're trading each month. Increasing your trading volume could push you into a lower fee tier, which means even more savings in the long run. By following these steps and taking advantage of Coinbase Advanced's features, you'll find that you can save significantly on fees, allowing more of your investment to work for you. Keep experimenting and don't hesitate to explore further in the Advanced Trade section to maximize your savings and investment potential.